any of the subcontractors that you talk to, if you tell them your situation where you're going to be your own general contractor and you need to know what the phases and budget for each phase is, they know this. Electrical contractors are going to base it off the square footage of the house, the finished living area. They'll give you a very, very good estimate of what rough-in is going to be and what finish out is going to be. And they'll give you different options based on like what kind of light switches do you like, and how much automation do you want, if any. HVAC is the same way. They're going to know a very good number for rough-in and final. HVAC is one of the ones where it's real cheap to rough in and real expensive to finish out. I discovered that in my first house where the rough-in was like $3,000, and then the final came, and I had a code violation where my furnace was in a garage, and they required commercial ducting, which was a $10,000 adder to a $20,000 HVAC system. That was a big blow to my budget right at the end, within like the final month of construction. So I would talk to your subcontractors, and they will walk you through that. They definitely have a handle on that, and they also give you ideas about when things need to happen, like excavating for a foundation, and then the slab or whatever needs to get laid out, and then the plumbers have to come in. Plumbers are the first people to come in to put all the plumbing in the slab, and then the foundation people come in and put all their work on top of that.
And also, Paul, you mentioned this is kind of another way of attacking it, but you mentioned the construction loan and the certain benchmarks that they want to see. That can kind of work as a guidebook.